guys, welcome welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a weekly check-in. I am kind of nervous of the damage that I've done. I have my information up already so I can look at it, and I see that last week I did do some crazy stuff. So I don't have any cash left over out of my wallet, and I don't have my actually I have the rest of my stickers that I got from Vita Budgets, and I don't know if she still has an open shop, but these were the ones that I had made, and I actually used all the ones that I had made because I'm doing a test run, and I think I like this one more, just the words, and nothing like around it or whatever, because it's like the color is off, and I don't know if I can ever stick to just one style because I'm always changing it up. So I kind of like this one. I always go back to this one, so I like this. If y'all have not heard of her, her name is Vita Budgets, and she has a lot of stickers and envelopes. She has really cute envelopes too. All right, so let's see. So with the week, we had budgeted $165, and then oh, that sounded so weird. I'm not used to that sound. Oh, my other ones have a metal disc, and these are plastic, and so you could tell these are Tool, the TUL disc, and the other ones are Happy Planner disc, and they're the metal disc bound, and so these made a weird sound whenever I changed the page. I was so ugly. All right, so I did not write down my expenses, but I can say that I had spent the whole $50 in gas, and I did not go over. The whole $45 in gas, I did not go over. And I can say that I did spend the $50 in groceries, and I ended up taking $5 out of miscellaneous because it was $55. It was $54, like 98. It was like 2 cents back, right? So that's already $5 from here. And then for my work, I had only spent $11. That's what threw me off. I was like, what? And so with the $9, I had it in there. But just keep listening, okay? And then for household, I did spend the $10 plus the $9 that I had left because I went to the Dollar Tree, and I ended up spending the whole $19. And I actually had a couple of change back, but I'm just gonna round up because the coins I put in my jar already, and I could have did it for the video, which would have made a lot of sense, but I have the coins, and I like either throw them in my door and my like my driving door and my handle, and then I empty it out, and then I throw it in the coin thing when it gets full. And then for the kids, I did spend the 10, but I ended up giving 5 to each, and so I ended up taking the other 5. So with miscellaneous, I spent the whole 10. And then with business, I went Saturday. Yesterday, I had went to Hobby Lobby, and I ended up spending $22. Oh, wait. So 15. And then the 5 here. This is where I grabbed the other 5. And then how did I have other ones in my... I spent $22 at so I'm in the -2 this month. So I spent $167. I know, because I was actually I was so close to sticking to this amount, and I spent $2 over. But I don't know where the other $2 came from. All right, so there's nothing over, and then I put 19. I guess that's... So -9. Why did I do like this? Oh my god. Okay. right? Because that equals, oh my, that took me out. All right, so I guess this one would have been 17, right? To have this as a -2, so that I was in the hole $2. Y'all, this was the most challenging week. Oh my god. So okay, what I realized that I do need to have a total at the bottom so I can see my total of this. But I literally print it out every month. Okay. No idea what I'm going to do with that. All right. Now I can't close it. Look, Jesus, fix this. Fix it. Because look, the stress that I'm having for no reason. Okay, thank you. All right. So let's see if we could do this a little bit better. Let's see if we could do this better and not spend that extra $2 next week. There. And I think what I'm going to do is I want to write my expenses first. And then I'm going to come back and already have them written down. I think I'm going to write it on my paper because I have expense paper. Right? Yeah. See, I have it. So why did I write? Okay, y'all. We won. Okay? It's already for the wraps. Already for the wraps. Okay. And then I wanted to add an additional amount for my coffee. Oh no, because my coffee goes to my work envelope because I only get coffee whenever I go to the office on Wednesdays and Thursdays. And then, yeah. So no, I'm lying. I don't want to do that. Okay. All right. It's tougher than you thought, guys. Tougher than you thought. All right. So for Monday, I did not spend anything on Monday. And then on Tuesday, I did not spend anything on Tuesday. Wednesday, I went, nope. Wednesday, I had bought coffee. So I used my work envelope. And then I did do, let's just do 10. And then I did gas, 20. And then payday, I used the groceries of 50. And then I did household, 19. Business of 17. And work. Oh no, wait, this one I did 30. Oh shoot. Gas 30. And work was 10. And then I actually brought food to work on Wednesday for breakfast. So I only bought coffee and then had lunch. And then the other $10 from work was on Thursday. And Saturday I had to pump gas again because I was doing Uber these days. So I put the last 15. So I believe that was all. Oh, and then on Friday I gave the kids. So you're all like, this girl all over the place. I have my computer over here where I was actually looking, y'all. And that is $10. And I actually did 15 because each one got 5. So yeah, that put me at a 0 or -2. Okay. And then whenever I got paid, I did the, I put money to the side for the one, I actually put 170, 15 here. So this would be 170. Okay. So far today, I'm about to go Uber again. I have gas. I just put it yesterday. The kid, one of them is out. Both of them are at work today. So I don't necessarily have to go and do anything. Ethan should be with his dad later on today, but he's with my mom right now. He's gonna be with my mom when I go Uber. He doesn't like to go Uber or DoorDash with me because he doesn't get out and he can't like get a snack everywhere we go. And I don't have any expenses besides on this day I plan on getting a tattoo. So, and I have like no money saved over for my tattoo right now. But we'll see. And then on this day I have to do car maintenance. I have to order a part. And hopefully I get it before we leave. We'll see. We'll see how that works out. But if y'all are still here, thank y'all for going on this crazy roller coaster with me. It is this week expense thing. Like, it's a whole setup. Like, I thought I could just be like, oh, I spent this, and this. And then I have to, like, but I'm going to do it easier and have, like, a visual. Because I don't know if y'all need the visual, but I need that visual. Like, I want to be able to highlight and write down the expenses and stuff. So, I'm going to try my hardest to come back with expenses for my week 2. And then be able to, you know, have everything. I'll write that off camera and then come back and see if that actually helps. Well, this week 1 almost took me out, y'all. So if y'all are still here, thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. We got to come figure out where we're going to get those $2 from.